equation, okay, in which we will learn how to solve the simple equation. So let's discuss the first question of exercise 7a. Now your first question is solve for the value of x, and we have to check whether this is the solution of this given equation or not. Now how to do this? Just whatever the value is given, just put this value in this equation. Now here you can see x is equal to 1 is given, so put the x is equal to 1 here. Then see that left hand side will be equal to right hand side or not. As you can see, 11 plus 1 is 12, and that is not equal to right hand side, that is 13. So you can say that x is equal to 1 is not a solution, is not a solution. If it will be equal, then you can say that it is a solution of that equation. Now similarly, see the last sixth part of the first question. You have an equation 7y plus 3 is equal to 17, and here y is equal to given minus 3. So put y is equal to minus 3 here. So when you are doing the subtractive minus sign, you have to put a bracket. It means nothing means multiply. So 7 3 is 21, but minus 10 plus 3. So minus 21 plus 3 is equal to minus plus minus. तो माइनस करके आ गए 18, and साइन लार्जर के साथ इज माइनस, तो माइनस, which is also not equal. So it means y is equal to 3 minus 3 is not a solution of this given equation. Now similarly you have to check for the other parts also. Okay, here you can say that. Let's check the third part. 5x plus 3 is equal to 13, and you have given x is equal to 2. Now check with it. 5 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 13. 5 into 2 10. 10 plus 3 13. So 13 is equal to 13. So you can say that yes, x is equal to 2 is the solution of this equation. So in the same way you have to solve the other parts of this exercise. Okay. So now let's discuss the second question, in which you have to write the equation. Actually you have given a English line, you have to write the equation from this line. The sum of number x and 5 is 13. So this statement is given, you have to write in numerical. The sum means plus, kiska? X and 5. The sum of x and 5. So it means sum means x plus 5 is equal to 13. So it means जैसे इक्वेशन लिखी है इंग्लिश में स्टेटमेंट लिखी है, you have to make the equation numerical wise. Okay, so the sum of x and 5 is 13. Done? Understood how to do this? Now see the 8th part. In 8th part, 8 times a number. Times means multiply. Product means multiply. So time is multiply. 8 times a number x is 5 more than means plus, less than means minus, 5 more than 9. This is the equation. Now read the statement again. 8 times a number, it means 8 into x, is 5 more than 9, means 5 plus 9. So you can write 8x is equal to 40. So this is the required equation. Now 10th part. Let us discuss the 10th part. 2/3 of a number. 2/3 of a number n. So 2/3 means 2 upon 3 of a number n. Of means multiply. Minus 3 gives means is equal to 5. So this is the required equation for 10th part. Similarly, you can solve the other parts also. Okay. So let us discuss the fourth question. In fourth question, the first part is, look at the first part. Is it clear? Yes. So Tanay obtained 98 marks, right, in the mathematics. His score is the highest in the class, right? And it is also 8 more than 3 times the lowest marks. So he got 98 marks. So 98 marks हो गए तने के, but it is also equal to the 8 more than 3 times the lowest marks. It is given in the statement that he got highest marks, so and it is also equal to 8 more than 3 times the lowest marks. That is given as in the question. So it means your required equation is 98 is equal to 8 plus 3n. So this is the answer of this given equation. Understood na? Very simple how to make the equation from the statement. Just whatever it is written in the statement, just you have to write in mathematical form, in numerical form. Okay. Now similarly, you have the second part. Sheila's father is 3 times old as her. Now you don't know the age of Sheila, so take the age of Sheila. Take the age of Sheila is x years. X. Now it is given in the question, Sheila's father is 3 times old as Sheila. So it means Sheila's father, now it is given that, so what is the age of Sheila's father? If the age of Sheila is x, so age of Sheila's father will be equal to, it is written Sheila's father is 3 times old as Sheila. Times means multiply, or simply you can write 3x. Okay. And it is also given in the next statement that the sum of their ages is 56. The sum of their ages, इन दोनों की ages का total, sum means plus, so it is given as ages of their sum is 56. So this is the required equation. So simple. So this is the answer of this equation. In the first statement it is written the Sheila's father is 3 times of Sheila's age. You don't know the Sheila age, so take the age x years. Now, so Sheila's father will be equal to 3x. Now it is given the sum of their ages. The sum of their ages is 56. So this is the required answer. So similarly, you can try the other 3 parts by yourself. Okay, if you feel doubt, you can ask me. Okay, bache? Thank you.